Welcome to my store. Okay, so this is the next segment. I think probably 4. Okay, spiny peacock eels are escape artists. So they're going to go in this tank here with the archer because he's a jumper and we have a lid on him. High tech. Styrofoam. Well, I guess styrofoam's high tech. Can't make it without tack. Did you put water in it? No. So you open the bag, but you don't put water in it.
Hadn't quite gotten there yet.
You hadn't quite gotten there yet. Okay, let's put this in here. Why not? They're going into the same tank. Put this guy in there too. They all came from the same water.
No, they didn't.
They came from Fish and Bird.
The one had blue in it and the other one did.
They put the blue water in it to supplement their water. Okay, let's scoop these again. It's been 5-10 minutes, whatever. He only has 12 spikes. He only has 12. That means he lost one stabbing somebody?
Yeah, at least he can.
They don't fall off when they stab somebody, son. Son, one of my children's in the way. Aaron, one of my children. It's always you when I talk about one of my children.
There's only 12.
There's only 12.
Yeah.
So, are you going to pat it until you find the 13th one? Aaron, your father may not always be right, but he is never wrong. I am dad.
Definition of wrong.
By definition, always correct. I've been promoting that with Hortensia.
Did somebody jump out or you what was in the oxygen bucket?
What was in the oxygen bucket? What did we put in the oxygen bucket?
We put,
We had a discussion about it.
oh my god.
It was the very first fish you pulled out.
Oh, look at, look. He's already managed to get out.
See, that's why I put the bucket in another bucket. Kind of knew he'd do that. What was in the OxyClean? It's on the tape. Whoever knows what was in the OxyClean bucket, let us know.
I know, but we have to know where it went.
Well, what was it?
I don't know.
Well, do you see it?
No.
Did we put anything away?
No.
No?
Except I combined the 3 buckets that they were there.
Yeah, but the OxyClean bucket was something we discussed.
Do we need to stop this segment so we
It's
can go back
fresh
and look?
Oh, it's fresh water.
It's fresh water. What did we put
You
away?
didn't put anything in fresh water.
But it's fresh water. What was it?
Flounder.
Oh, it was the flounder. Yeah, he's there. Okay. So that's what happened to the flounder. He's in the OxyClean. I like getting these mysteries solved. So right now what we're doing is we're warming them up and getting them used to our water. So we pour off some of the mixed waters, because otherwise we'd end up using so much water. It's good to have a boy. Don't kick them.
I did put a towel in the bathroom.
Yeah, I saw that.
I did too.
All genteel and everything.
Nice shade of purple.
It's actually green.
Oh,
You thought it was green?
for some reason I thought it was purple. As I was remembering.
Green is such a delightful shade of purple, son.
Can I sit on this?
Somebody
fish
needs to
tank?
get a colorblind test done.
Well, he's work blind. He can't see work. There can be work staring at him in the face. He can't see it.
No, I can see it perfectly well. I I'm gonna avoid it.
So you're telling your father, you're admitting. that
Yeah,
you
we
see
had some sad news today. We lost one of our baby fungis.
Yeah, one of the bouncing ones. I cried.
Did you really know?
Yes. Well, you know how I cry about you. You make me cry. But Dad, I tried my hardest. That makes me cry more.
Steve's got such a loving father and son relationship.
Best son I got.
It only smells pretty.
Well, we got two people doing the work and one person running the camera. Works ever so much faster than one person doing the work.
It does.
Yes.
Feels going crazy.
You're just lucky I was still awake.
Okay, you're still awake.
And I'll be real lucky if I'm awake tomorrow.
I won't be. I still have homework to do.
Yeah, and you'll be in school, asleep. Oh yeah. That'll help your grades.
Or I'll just sleep in and go around and line. I don't need to go to math.
You don't need to go to math.
No.
What's
It's just
5
the
plus
exam.
5? It's just the exam test?
No, it's just the exam review that I already know. Tomorrow she's going over Pascal's triangle, which I did really well with.
But I remember your math from last semester.
And don't you remember last math at midterm, which was 70?
That was really surprising. First question was where...
This is the strength of a tank, to have a big boy like Aaron sit on the side of it.
Well, I climb on them too.
I don't
Glass is very strong if you don't hit it with something.
It's also got to hold all the pressure of the water.
Ooh. You make a lot of noises. You're a noisy boy. Aaron, noisy boy. Aaron, lazy boy? Hi, boy. Leave my hair. You got such pretty hair. Sorry about the rust, son.
That's watching this movie with a drop off my face.
You what? Bah. Yeah. Why would I drop fish down the drain? Your great and wonderful Father who finds all things possible and probable. When you say you tried your hardest, I believe you. Thousands want it. Yeah, they get a lot more active when they're getting warmed up. What are you doing? Warming them up.
Oh. Okay.
What?
I had to stop it. At 8:34.